right, beautiful people, back in the lab. Today we're gonna be swapping out these wheel covers for the EVBASE wheel covers. And I'm gonna show y'all the simple process of what it takes to install these. Never mind the drippage on the car, just got the windows tinted. First thing you wanna do is get the tool that EVBASE sends you with the kit. So you take the tool, put it in the slot, and then you pull out. It's got a little hook in there. So you just use this hook, put it in there, turn it, and they pop right out. And then once you get them all loose, then you grab one, kind of wiggle it. It's kind of tight in there, y'all. So you're going, boom, and it pops out. It feels like you're going to break it, but it won't break. It just pops out. Same thing for the rear. Grab your handy dandy tool. 2 hands. There's a little hook right there. Ooh, slipped. And hook. And hook. Boom. So those are all those. And then we'll pop these jokers off. Grab them. And then pull like a man. Next thing you want to do is grab your caps or your covers. Flip it over. And we're going to take our little felt tape and put it around it. It's a very easy process. Start in whatever direction you want. And then we're just going to go right around with the felt tape. It ain't got to be 100%, surgical, y'all. Just get the stuff on here. Keep it from rubbing on your rim. That's all I'm doing. So, nice, simple process. And then we'll pop it on. Get my scissors. Boom. Got it on there. Last thing is, it does come with like a little black cap. You just peel the sticker off. And then just center that baby on the rim or on the hubcap. Boom. Give it a nice little press. Now we'll put her on the vehicle. The biggest thing is you want to make sure you line up your hole with your valve stem. So the valve stem is right here. Your hole's right here. So just line them up. Give her a little push. There we go. And you hear that nice audible snap into place. Hole, valve stem. Had a piece of asphalt in there or something. To me, these look way better than stock. And they kind of mimic the new Model Y Performance rims that just came out. But I love the way those look. And then for some reason, it gives the illusion that these rims actually look bigger than they really are. These are 19s, but I swear it makes them look bigger just because the rim is like, it's covering the whole rim. And I love having the full rim protection with the EVBASE rims. So huge shout out to EVBASE for sending these over for me to test out and review. I'll have a link down below just showing you guys these actual wood covers that I picked up. And then they got some Black Friday sales running right now. So definitely cop these while you can, because for the price and the change you get on the vehicle, in my opinion, definitely worth it. But yeah, man, definitely check out EVBASE. They came through. Matter of fact, show y'all the box. But yeah, I plan on ordering a lot of products from them just because they got so much stuff for the Tesla that just, you can make it your own. It's like customizing my bikes. I can customize this car and make it my own. But yeah, this is just a quick little look at the EVBASE rims, or wheel covers. I say rims. Look at, they look so much like actual rims. I'm thinking they're rims, but they're actually wheel covers. They look freaking good, y'all. Real good. Super excited on how that turned out. Y'all let me know down below if you got any EVBASE products and what you got from the website or what you recommend. I'm gonna make another video about other accessories I put on and tell y'all how I feel about some of the accessories I bought for this thing. Very nice.